what we've created is a program that is designed to utilize the online learning platform that MiMentor is sharing with us. And what we will do is to introduce the learning, signpost learners to those online courses, challenge them to think about applying some of that learning in their own context and drawing them back to consider how effectively they've done it. So what we're doing is really sort of flipping this virtual classroom. So the learning comes first in the online courses, and then what we want to do is to help make sense of it. The first chunk of learning is really looking at the concept and practice of mentoring. So what we do is we look at the roots of it, we look at the relationships, and we look at how those relationships manifest themselves in terms of the interactions between those two people. So we start to touch on things like skill sets and how we use skill sets within the mentoring cycle. The second chunk is designed then to help mentors adopt a more organized, more structured approach to organizing coach learning. So there is a coach profiling exercise that we are challenging coaches to undertake, where they start to think about what are the skills and capabilities they want to develop. And then the mentor is really looking to identify, well, not just in terms of what it was they want to develop, but how they can help them develop that using that work-based environment that we've already mentioned. And that's that supported practice in the field. The final chunk will really allow us to come back together and answer the question that everybody has at the end of every course, which is, it's been brilliant, but what do I do now? So the final block will really look at how mentors can develop their own mentoring skills, but also how they can continue to develop the mentoring programs and the mentoring relationships that they have.